Welcome back, accounting enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a fundamental concept that lays the groundwork for every successful venture, the business entity concept. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or just someone curious about the intricacies of business structures, this video is for you. So, subscribe to our channel and hit that like button, and let's unravel the mysteries behind business entities. The business entity concept is like the DNA of your company, shaping its structure, legal standing, and financial implications. To break it down, think of it as the blueprint that influences how your business operates in the vast world of commerce. Definition. So, what exactly is the business entity concept? Simply put, it's the idea that a business is separate from its owners. This separation is crucial because it affects everything from liability and taxation to decision-making processes. Types of business entities. Now, let's explore the different types of business entities. We have sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and limited liability companies, LLCs. Each comes with its own set of advantages, disadvantages, and legal implications. Sole proprietorships. If you are a one-person show, a sole proprietorship might be the way to go. It's easy to set up and offers full control, but keep in mind that your personal assets are on the line. Partnerships. Partnerships, on the other hand, involve shared responsibilities and profits. There are general partnerships and limited partnerships, each with unique characteristics. Communication and a solid partnership agreement are key here. Corporations. Now, corporations provide limited liability, meaning your personal assets are generally protected. They have a more complex structure with shareholders, a board of directors, and officers. The trade-off for this protection is increased paperwork and regulations. Limited liability companies, LLCs. Lastly, we have LLCs, a hybrid that combines the benefits of corporations and partnerships. They offer limited liability without the same level of formalities. This flexibility makes them a popular choice for many small businesses. Importance of choosing the right entity. Selecting the right business entity is like choosing the right tool for the job. It directly impacts your liability, taxes, and operational flexibility. Take the time to assess your business goals, risk tolerance, and future plans to make an informed decision. Conclusion. And there you have it, the business entity concept demystified. Understanding this foundational principle is crucial for any business owner navigating the complexities of the business world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep thriving in the world of business.